Hello and welcome to today's video. In this comprehensive guide, we'll be diving into the fascinating world of the stock market. Whether you're completely new to investing or just looking to brush up on the basics, this video is tailored to help you understand the key concepts and strategies involved. So, let's get started. Segment 1. What is the stock market? First things first, let's define what the stock market is. The stock market is a platform where individuals and institutions can buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. These shares represent ownership in a company, and trading them allows investors to potentially profit from the company's growth and success. Segment 2. Why invest in stocks? Now, you might be wondering why you should invest in stocks in the first place. Well, historically, the stock market has provided higher returns compared to other investment options over the long term. Investing in stocks can be a way to grow your wealth and achieve financial goals. Segment 3. Key stock market concepts. Before you jump in, it's crucial to understand some key concepts. The first is stocks or equities. These are the ownership units of a company. Dividends are payments made to shareholders as a share of the company's profits. Market capitalization is the value of a company's outstanding shares, and volatility refers to the price fluctuations that stocks experience over time. Segment 4. Types of stocks. There are different types of stocks to consider. Blue chip stocks belong to well-established, financially stable companies. Growth stocks are from companies expected to have high future growth. Value stocks are those that seem undervalued based on their fundamentals. Dividend stocks offer regular dividend payments. Segment 5. How to start investing. Getting started with investing doesn't have to be daunting. Begin by setting clear financial goals and determining your risk tolerance. Research different brokerage platforms to find one that suits your needs. Once you're ready, you can start by investing in individual stocks or consider exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and mutual funds for diversification. Segment 6. Basic investing strategies. When it comes to investing strategies, there are a few common approaches. Buy and hold involves purchasing stocks and holding onto them for the long term, regardless of short-term market fluctuations. Dollar cost averaging is investing a fixed amount at regular intervals, which can help mitigate the impact of market volatility. Segment 7. Importance of research. Research is essential in stock market investing. Before investing in a company, analyze its financial statements, management team, industry trends, and competitive landscape. Remember, informed decisions are more likely to yield positive results. Segment 8. Managing risks. Investing always carries risks. Diversification is a key strategy to manage risk. By investing in different sectors and industries, you can reduce the impact of poor performance in one area. Additionally, stay informed about market trends and economic indicators that might affect your investments. Segment 9. Staying patient and informed. Patience is a virtue in the stock market. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Keep educating yourself, stay updated on financial news, and continue learning about different investment strategies. Segment 10. Conclusion. To wrap up, the stock market offers exciting opportunities for growth, but it requires careful planning, research, and patience. As a beginner, take your time to understand the basics, set realistic goals, and invest wisely. Remember, the stock market is a journey, and your success will depend on your commitment to learning and adapting. Thank you for joining us today on this journey through the stock market for beginners. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Feel free to leave your questions or comments below. Until next time.